What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Harley-Davidson Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 and Stage 3 Saddlebag cut-in speaker kits. First, let's start with the Stage 2 kit. These 5" by 7" amplified 3-way speakers deliver ultra clear highs, super clean mids, and ground thumping bass. They feature a durable injection molded woofer and separate bridge mounted mid-range and tweeter speaker. Each unit is rated to handle up to 150 watts of power and designed to deliver outrageous volume with less distortion for sharp clear sound even at highway speeds. Because these speakers are mounted in the saddlebag lids, your music surrounds both rider and passenger with sound and increased volume. Next, I want to talk about the Stage 3 kit. These 6" by 9" Harley-Davidson Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate high-performance 3-way speakers are the largest and most powerful speakers ever offered by Harley-Davidson. Each unit is rated to handle up to 250 watts of power, so you can enjoy clear audio at all speeds. Both the Stage 2 and Stage 3 speakers are purpose-built for the harsh motorcycle environment with the element-ready design that helps stand up to water, dirt, UV, and motorcycle vibration, so your audio system can endure the test of time. The waterproof 2-ohm speakers are vibration tested and feature injection molded woofer cones with a high-flux neodymium N48 magnet and 20mm tweeter and 30mm mid-range speaker. The individual kits include left and right saddlebag speakers, 5" by 7" for the Stage 2 and 6" by 9" for the Stage 3, a saddlebag drill cutting template, bucket and backer, plus all installation hardware. The Stage 3 kit also includes performance red Stage 3 trim rings and grille inserts. Both the Stage 2 and Stage 3 come as a complete kit that uses your original equipment saddlebag lids. The cut-in system includes a template that allows you to cut the speaker opening using simple handheld power tools and includes a bucket and backer that form the speaker cradle. Harley-Davidson Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate products are garage ready in most cases. Following installation, simply configure and fine-tune your new system using the Skyline OS touchscreen prompts. Check the website to make sure these products fit your model motorcycle. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.